The Pacific Ocean. About 1,000 kilometers off the coast of Ecuador, lie the Galápagos Islands, one of the most extraordinary places on Earth. At first glance, these volcanic islands may seem remote and barren. Yet they hold a unique place in science, helping us understand how life evolves and adapts over time. The Galápagos are not only a remarkable ecosystem but also the birthplace of ideas that changed biology forever. The story of the islands began millions of years ago when volcanic eruptions on the ocean floor created new land. At first, the islands were completely lifeless. Over time, winds, ocean currents, and migrating animals carried seeds and living creatures across vast distances. Those that survived became the first colonists of a new world. Isolated from the mainland, they adapted to different environments and gradually evolved into unique species found nowhere else on Earth. In 1835, a young naturalist named Charles Darwin arrived at the Galápagos aboard the HMS Beagle. Although he spent only a short time on the islands, his observations would eventually transform science. Darwin noticed that finches living on different islands had different beak shapes. Some had strong beaks for cracking seeds, while others had slender beaks suited for catching insects. These variations suggested that species could change over time in response to their environment. Years later, these observations became a foundation for his theory of natural selection. Among the most famous inhabitants of the Galápagos are the giant tortoises. These remarkable animals can live for more than a century and weigh over 200 kilograms. Different island populations developed different shell shapes depending on their habitats and food sources. Some tortoises evolved longer necks and raised shells that allowed them to reach higher vegetation. Their diversity became one of the clearest examples of adaptation in action. Equally fascinating are the marine iguanas. Found nowhere else in the world, they are the only lizards that forage in the ocean. Their dark bodies blend into the volcanic rocks as they bask in the sun after swimming through cold waters in search of algae. To cope with salt water, they expel excess salt through specialized glands, often appearing to sneeze salt from their noses. Their unusual appearance led Darwin to describe them as creatures of darkness. The islands are also home to the famous blue-footed boobies. During courtship, males perform elaborate dances, lifting their bright blue feet one at a time to attract females. The intensity of the blue color signals health and fitness, making it an important factor in mate selection. This behavior demonstrates how evolution shapes not only survival but also reproductive success. Other extraordinary species complete the Galápagos ecosystem. Flightless cormorants have lost the ability to fly because they no longer face the predators that usually require escape by air. Galápagos penguins, the only penguins living near the equator, survive thanks to cold ocean currents. Sea lions rest along volcanic shores and interact fearlessly with visitors. Together, these animals create one of the most distinctive wildlife communities on the planet. The importance of the Galápagos extends beyond its wildlife. For biologists, the islands provide a living laboratory where evolutionary processes can be studied in real time. Scientists continue to investigate how species adapt, how new traits emerge, and how genetic diversity changes through generations. Modern genetic research has confirmed many of Darwin's original ideas and revealed even deeper insights into evolution. However, the Galápagos faces serious challenges. Human activity introduced invasive species such as goats, cats, and rats, which disrupted delicate ecological balances. Many native species suffered as a result. Climate change now poses an additional threat, affecting ocean temperatures and altering food availability for wildlife. These pressures remind us that even the most isolated ecosystems are not immune to global change. Perhaps the greatest lesson of the Galápagos is the power of adaptation. For millions of years, these volcanic islands have served as a stage where evolution unfolds. Every species found here tells a story of survival, change, and resilience. The scientific journey that began with Darwin continues today, inspiring new discoveries about life on Earth. The Galápagos Islands remind us that nature is both creative and fragile. They help us understand where we came from and why protecting biodiversity matters. More than a collection of islands, the Galápagos are a living testament to the processes that shaped life itself, and a powerful reminder of our responsibility to protect the natural world for generations to come.